This is Eagle One News with special coverage of the upcoming election. As you know, we have an important job this November. As a democracy, we all have a say in who is elected. We are here today to introduce you to our candidates. We now go live to Mr. Vanilla's press conference already in progress.
And that's why they say the cookie always crumbles. Now, I know that all of you are here to listen to me acknowledge that my nominees are running negative campaigns against me. I'm not going to talk about that. Instead, I'm going to take another question. Let's see, over there. Oh, maybe not. Graham Cracker Times, I do not like how you go about your business. So, you know what, folks? We're just going to wrap it up with the questions. I'm just going to let you know that the voters will end up making the right choice. I'm Vanilla, baby. I've been here for a very long time. I'm versatile. You can put candy, fruit, doesn't matter. Vanilla goes with everything. So when the day comes for elections, voters will just go with their gut. Have a good one, everybody.
Interesting stuff. We now turn our attention to Buffalo, New York, where Mrs. Strawberry is holding a rally.
Ladies and gentlemen, as we stand at this crossroads in the ice cream world, it is time to break free from your parents' boring two-flavor system of chocolate and vanilla. I am proud to be your fruit-forward choice, bringing a refreshing burst of flavor that celebrates the essence of summer in every scoop. Together, let's embrace a new, vibrant era where we celebrate the sweetness of variety. It is time to think pink. For a sweeter tomorrow, vote strawberry today.
And last, but certainly not least, Mrs. Chocolate is addressing her supporters right now.
EFS, I stand before you today, not just as a dessert, but as a candidate for your hearts and taste buds, chocolate ice cream. From the first delightful scoop, I promise to bring you happiness and satisfaction like no other. With my rich, velvety texture and delicious flavor, I am the ultimate treat for any occasion, be it a hot summer day or a cozy winter night. I'm not just a flavor, I'm a symbol of togetherness. Chocolate ice cream reminds us of all those great moments like birthday parties with friends or movie nights at home with your family. I'm like a scoop of happiness. Let's talk versatility. Ever had a chocolate milkshake? Plus, guess what? Eating chocolate is scientifically proven to make you feel happy. It's a little boost of joy every time you have a scoop. So when you head to the polls, remember, vote chocolate ice cream. Together we can make every moment a little bit sweeter. One nation under chocolate. Thank you.
This looks like it'll be a close race. Make sure to be an informed voter and join us on Monday, November 4th for a live debate between the candidates. And don't forget to vote and let your voice be heard.